YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be doing a fun little project. We're going to be making memory ornaments. This is going to be perfect for a holiday tradition that you can start with your family. My family is actually starting this tradition this year. So the idea is that you take a clear ornament, and I will go through all the details of everything that you'll need later, but you'll take a clear ornament, you will write the year, and then you'll write memories. So this year we'll be writing 2021 memories. You'll get together as a family and everyone will write out their favorite memories and blessings from that year. You cut it into strips and you put it into the ornament, and then every year you will add an ornament to your tree to memorialize that year. Then you can go through and look at all the previous year's memories, and it's just a fun little tradition that I thought we'd start. My family already has one tradition that we do every year where we dress in matching pajamas and do a little photo shoot in front of the tree on Christmas Eve. It's a super fun way to just add a picture every year to our little collection, and I decided that we would actually start doing this memory ornament on Christmas Eve. So if you would like to go ahead and do that with your family as well, just keep watching. Now we're going to go through the supplies that you need for this project. The first thing that you'll need are some clear ornaments. You can go with glass or plastic. I have a toddler, so I chose plastic, but I actually got these at Hobby Lobby. They come in a pack of 4, and this is what the box looks like here. I will link these down below for you guys. But that is the clear ornaments that we'll be using. So on the outside of the ornament, you're gonna wanna write 2021 and then the word memories. So there are 2 ways to do this. You can either use a Sharpie, an oil-based Sharpie that will stick to the plastic or glass ornament to write on there, or you can use your Cricut or your vinyl cutting machine to actually cut out some vinyl and stick it on there. The vinyl will definitely look more like precise, and if you don't have great handwriting, then the vinyl might be your way to go if you do already have a Cricut on hand. But not to worry, if you don't have a vinyl cutting machine, you can always just use the oil-based Sharpie pen. I will link this down below for you guys as well, and you can just write on there, let it dry, and then move on with the process. So we're gonna go ahead and go through both options just so you can see how they both go. The supplies that you need for this project will depend on the route that you decide to go for the lettering on the outside of the ornament. If you are just doing the written route, which is the most simple, you'll just need a clear ornament, the pen that I spoke about earlier, some paper, a pen, and some scissors. If you decide to go the vinyl route, then you'll need the clear ornament, some vinyl. I just chose matte white vinyl, weeding tools, a squeegee, some transfer tape, scissors, of course your cutting machine and cutting mat, and then everyone, no matter which route you go, you will need some type of ribbon to hang your ornament. I just have some white chiffon ribbon here that I will link down below for you guys. All right, you guys, let's get started. The first method that we're going to go through is the vinyl method. So first thing you're going to do, you're going to go into your software of your vinyl cutting machine. This is the Cricut software that I'm using here. You're going to type in 2021 and memories. For 2021, I chose the font called Loves. It's a super simple one. And then for memories, I chose a font called Goldie Rainbow. And then you're going to want to weld your letters together if they're cursive. And then just get the alignment and the sizing right for how you want it to look. I wanted 2021 to be just a little bit bigger, so I went ahead and made it a little bit larger. And then you attach everything together. And I wanted it to be 2.5 inches wide so it would fit perfectly on my ornament. And then you are ready to go ahead and click Make It to send it over to your Cricut machine. The next step we're going to take is just to weed out our vinyl. This is just to remove the excess vinyl and leave the lettering behind. And now we'll get our transfer tape and use our squeegee to really adhere the vinyl to the transfer tape. Pro tip for whenever you are applying vinyl to a curved surface, it's a really good idea to go in and cut little slits like you see me doing here. That way the vinyl will kind of curve around the side of the ornament. The next step we're going to take is to clean our ornament off with an alcohol wipe. We're going to let that dry, and now we're going to apply the vinyl. Carefully peel back the transfer tape with the vinyl on it from the backing paper, and be sure that you do pick up all of the vinyl onto the transfer tape. Now we're going to go ahead and apply it to the ornament. I just used my transfer tape roll to set the ornament on just to keep it steady. Just be sure that you do get it straight when you put it on. Use your fingers to carefully trace over the lettering, that way it will really stick to the ornament well. Now you're going to go ahead and carefully peel back the transfer tape. Now we're going to go ahead and do the pen method. For this, you just need your ornament and your Sharpie oil-based pen. You will just write 2021 and then the word memories. I did want my numbers to be a little bit thicker than my letters would be, so I went ahead and did that there. And here is the end result of how they both turned out. I do like the vinyl method better, but the pen method is just so easy. The next thing you'll do is get together with your family and really spend time just thinking about your year, reminiscing on the different things that happened that year, the blessings, and all of the memories that you made. I do recommend that everyone has their own piece of paper and writes out their own memories. You'd be surprised the different memories that everyone comes up with, and it's really fun to share at the end. The next thing you'll do is take each person's piece of paper and just cut into strips each of the memories. That way there's one memory per strip. And then you'll go in and roll them up, and that way they'll fit inside of the ornament. The next thing you're going to do is take the little top off of the ornament and fill up the ornament with each of the rolled up pieces of paper. The next thing you're going to do is put the little top back on the ornament. Next year I think I'll do either silver or gold lettering, that way it will stand out a little bit more. And then you're going to cut your ribbon. I cut mine pretty long, that way I could tie a bow at the top. Such pleasure do you bring me. And here is our finished product. My husband and baby were so excited, they celebrated with a little happy dance. And the final step is to hang it on the tree. Comment down below your favorite memory of 2021 and if you decided to do this tradition with your family this year. Thank you guys for tagging along with me for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Happy holidays. See you guys next year.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.